Suppose that'll work, right, neighbors? Fuck it. Be good. Well, hey, neighbors. Welcome to the Shed Shop. In this edition of Straight Pipe MS390. Chainsaw Redeemers and Agonizing Pain as usual. Let me get you moved in a little better. I don't feel well. My pain makes me nauseous. But I need to get stuff done. So I'm just trying my best. Basically, we have the Nightmare MS290 that was converted to a 390 HYWAY top end. The piston ended up scoring right away on this. Well, not right away, but I ran it through a tank idle, and then them boys that bought it we're going to finish breaking it in. They did no carb adjustments, and unfortunately our piston roached. Our cylinder had a tiny bit of transfer, but it seemed good. And so where we're at now is we've gotten our pipe Derek bought, and so I need to cut with a tank and finish breaking this in. And so we're just gonna buck up this log and then see how things go. And after that, you guys got to get the hell out of my yard because I need to rest. I don't like the saying, if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck. Because I got to be honest, neighbors, I think the majority of you have no idea what bad luck is unless you watch this channel. I have pretty much the worst luck of any human being on the planet that I know of. And so, let's see what the hell can go wrong today. I'm going to say I'm a pessimist. No, I'm just a realist. Uh-oh, it's going to be loud as hell. That sounds good as hell. Oh yeah. You're going to be happy as hell, Derek. Holy shit. Uh-oh. That wasn't good. Something just went majorly wrong. Something just went majorly wrong. The way that just died was not good. Not good. Yep. The saw's too hot. Damn, it just died like that. It doesn't want an easy restart. Something's wrong. It was cutting beautifully too. I mean, that thing was ripping through the wood. I mean, we were 1.5 turns out. I was plenty rich. Quarter, half, 3/4. We'll go 1 1/8. Our low end, quarter, half, 3/4, nearly 1 turn. Yeah, I should restart. Something went wrong, guys. I'm not gonna keep pulling it. We're gonna let the saw cool off. Shit, you guys probably can't even see me. I cannot believe this. This is my life though. But see, that's why I'm a realist. I know when my life shit goes wrong, we'll let it cool off and we'll inspect our piston. I don't know what just happened, but something bad happened. The way it died so quickly, that wasn't a loading up or starving situation. I don't know what happened. We'll find out. Till next time though, neighbors, seriously, I'm in agonizing pain. I have the worst fucking luck any human being could possibly ever have, I think. No matter how hard I try to do things right, no matter how much time, effort, energy, focus, attentiveness, detail-orientedness I put into my projects, be it saws, van, house, plumbing, everything, I do it right. I buy the right materials. 95% of the time, shit goes wrong. Be kind to your goddamn neighbors.